If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Statements in QuickBooks Online show customer transactions based on the type of statement selected. For businesses that use statements for billing customers, these charges are often entered as they are accrued and then submitted to the customer in a billing statement that requests payment of those charges. These types of businesses may send balance forward or open item last 365 days statement types. Alternatively, other businesses may simply want to show the history of customer transactions within a transaction statement type, especially if no payment is required. You can enter the charges that appear in customer statements using the sales forms or journal entry window. For businesses that charge customers using customer billing statements, the form you choose depends on whether the charges are recurring and whether they are automatically paid by the customer or if the customer must remit payment later. For recurring charges, it may be easier to create either a recurring invoice, recurring sales receipt, or a recurring journal entry. If the customer remits payment later, then you may want to use the invoice or a journal entry made as a debit to the accounts receivable account and a credit to the associated income account. If you apply automatic late fees, then using the invoice or recurring invoice is best. Alternatively, for customers who have automatic payment or prepayment, entering the charges in a sales receipt may work better. Of course, if your business sends statements just to remind customers of outstanding balances owed from normal sales and invoicing, then you simply record your sales and invoices as usual, and then create the desired type of statement as needed. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.